This is Lexington Avenue-59th Street. Transfer is available to the 4, 5, 6, and R trains.
A free transfer is also available to the F and Q trains by walking to the Lexington Avenue 63rd Street station and using your Metro card.
This is a Queensboro N express train. The next stop is Queensboro Plaza. This is Queensboro Plaza. Transfer is available to the 7 train. This is a Ditmars Boulevard Bound N express train. The next stop is Astoria Boulevard.
All trains are going express due to construction. All trains are going express due to construction. For service to 39th Avenue, 36th Avenue, Broadway, and 30th Avenue, take this train to the next stop, and then take the Manhattan-bound train back. Stand clear to close the doors, please.
This is Astoria Boulevard. Transfer is available to the M60 Select Bus Service to LaGuardia Airport. This is a Ditmars Boulevard bound N express train. The next and last stop is Astoria Ditmars Boulevard. This is Astoria Ditmars Boulevard.
This is the last stop on this train. Everyone, please leave the train. Thank you for riding with MTA New York City Transit.